Well, let's talk about Google Cloud Platform and free tier. You can get free hands-on experience with Google Cloud. So, how you actually can also have hands-on experience is to use Skill Builder. They often has several programs like learn Google Cloud for free, and they give you subscription for a month or two, and you can try hands-on some products by using subscription and have some limits. Other way is to use free tier. This is opportunity to use some services for free and other with some limitations and have probably $300 credits for new customers. Let's review what you can use. New customers get 300 credits to try Google Cloud product. So 20 products with free seal. Let's review. First, this is compute region, 1 E2 micro instance per month. Let's review what they tell, and we can see non-preemptible YouTube micro VM, Oregon, Iowa, California, 30 gigabytes, standard disk, 1 gigabyte of outbound data transfer to all region destination per month. So it means your free tier is this instance type, limit is by time, each month eligible user of all of you instances is free until you have used a number of hours equal. So probably you can run one instance or two or three instances what's the same time, but you you won't buy till you don't spend all time. So probably you get time for month work one instance, but you can use several instances inside that time limit. So probably you can use one day, but 10 instances or more. So until you have used number hours equal total hours. And here is supported regions and zones, quotas, and so Asia, lot of regions we don't see in it, and you must remember that your traffic only 30 gigabyte persistent disk, and you must remember that 1 gigabyte outbound. This is traffic which goes from cloud to all region. If you have a big workload, better don't use it in this program because you will be charged. no cluster manner. Let's review other services. I, I suppose, yes, this is on for free tier. All program, initiation, coverage, duration. Free tier has no end date, but Google reserves is the right to change the offering. Eliminating users limit subjects notice. Terms service terms use free trial when you use resource covered by free tier during your free trial period. They are not changed uh, against your free trial credits. So here is for App Engine, uh, two types of instances. These instances this time bigger one, less time, and 1 GB traffic transfer per day. Artifact registry. AutoML BigQuery 1 TB per month, 10 GB each month. Cloud build, then cloud deploy, cloud functions, cloud logging, cloud shell. Okay, cloud storage, 5 GB once of per month, 5,000 class A, 50,000 class B, 100 GB on-bound data transfer. Free tier is only available in these regions, so pay attention. And before you start using some services, you need to carefully uh, learn this document. Compute engine, also following regions, only these three. Kubernetes, no FIFO, 90 days. PubSub, CAPTCHA, Secret Manager, exceeding free tier usage limits. Above free tier is automatically built at standard rates. You can help monitor, you can define budget and alerts. This is in billing uh, menu, so you can create alert. Support and different documentation, community, direct support, etc. So pay attention. I save this link, reload features.